In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kick someone from a Discord server. This is a straightforward moderation action that removes a member from your community without banning them. It's useful when someone needs to leave the server, but you don't want to impose a permanent block. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions in that server. You'll need either the kick member's permission or a role with equivalent moderation rights. If you don't see the option later on, that's usually the reason. Start by opening Discord and entering the server you want to manage. Double-check you're in the correct server, especially if you belong to multiple communities. On desktop, look to the right side of the screen for the member list, or find the person in any channel where they've recently sent a message. Either location works for this process. Next, hover over the person's name or avatar and right-click. If you're in a channel, you can right-click directly from their message. If you're in the member list, right-clicking there works the same. This opens a context menu with several moderation choices. From that menu, click Kick, Username. You might also see options like Message, Mute, or Ban, but for a temporary removal, Kick is the one you want. Choosing Kick brings up a confirmation pop-up so you can review your choice before it takes effect. In the confirmation window, you'll see a space to type an optional reason. This note is for your server's logs, such as the audit log, and helps your moderation team understand what happened later. Keep the reason clear and concise, focusing on the behavior or rule involved. You don't have to fill this out, but it's a good habit for consistent moderation. When you're ready, click Kick to confirm. The member is removed from the server immediately. Their existing messages remain unless you have separate moderation tools to manage content, and they can rejoin in the future if someone sends them a new invite. If you don't want them returning, that would require a ban instead. But today, we're just covering the kick action. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you can't find the person, try checking recent channel activity or the member search bar. If the kick option is missing, verify your role permissions or check with a server admin. And whenever possible, follow your community guidelines so your actions are consistent and fair. That's it. Open the server, right-click the member, choose Kick, add an optional reason, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and keep your community safe and organized.